Hi, I'm Emmi Harjuniemi, a brand strategist and service designer from Finland. I help creative experts clarify their value and communicate it with confidence. In this video, I want to share my favorite recipe with you. A simple yet powerful way to build a strong expert brand. Let's start with this idea. Expert branding isn't about how much you know. It's about what others know you know. So you already have a brand. It's the impression and the feeling people have about you. And as Jeff Bezos once said, your brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room. And that's your personal brand. But when you want to build an expert brand, you do it on purpose. You start talking about the professional topics that matters to you again and again. And that's when branding becomes strategy. So here is my recipe for building an expert brand. Step 1. Recognize your own expertise. What comes naturally to you? What you have learned through work, life, or passion? What do people often ask you help with? That's your foundation. It is where everything begins. Step 2. Choose the themes you want to be known for. Pick 2 or 3 topics that truly matters to you. The ones you could talk about all day long. The ones that make your eyes light up. When you focus, people start to associate you with those themes, and that's how you stand out, by being known for something specific. Step 4. Deliver your promises and learn from feedback. Don't just talk about your value, demonstrate it. Follow through, and when you get feedback, share it. Let people see that your work creates real results. Step 5. The image of you as an expert in others' minds is the same as your expert brand. This is the core of it all. Your expert brand isn't just what you think, it's how others experience and describes your expertise. Ask yourself, what kind of expert do people think I am? Or even better, ask them directly. Step 6. Ask people how they would describe your expertise to someone else. This gives you a real-world mirror of your reputation. It's one of the most powerful tools in personal branding. It reveals not what you think your brand is, but how others actually see and talk about you. And then the finishing touches. To complete your expert brand recipe, just add half a ladle of visual identity, just enough to stay visually consistent. And enough time, because trust doesn't grow overnight. Good brands aren't cooked in the microwave, they simmer slowly over time. So what is your next step? Ask a friend, coworker, or colleague today. How would you describe me to someone who doesn't know me at all? If the answer aligns with how you want to be known, fantastic! Keep reinforcing that image. But if not, now you know what to start working on. Don't let your brand happen without you. It's way too important. As I said earlier, expert branding isn't about how much you know. It's about what others know you know. It's about how they feel, understand, and trust your expertise. So dare to be visible and let your know-how become something people want to buy. Now you might be wondering, why should I be visible? Because if people don't know you exist, they can't value your expertise. They can't trust you, follow you, or buy from you. Being visible isn't vanity, it's strategy. It's how you turn your quiet competence into real opportunities. So, don't just be good at what you do, be known for it. Because expert branding isn't about showing off, it's about showing up. Thank you for watching. It would be nice to network with you. You can find me on LinkedIn. Thanks again for watching, and remember to thank yourself for taking this moment to focus on your growth. And good luck building your expert brand.